fully relaxing into the here and now, drawing the attention from the past and the future, from what has happened and what is coming, and bringing all of our energy, awareness, attention, and intention into this now moment. Just see what that feels like. To have all of your awareness right here. As the mind does what the mind does and begins to wander and pull from the past or pull from the future or float away with ideas, just acknowledge that and return to the breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Or using one word to recenter, refocus on the here and now. Inhaling and exhaling. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now. There is no separation in truth. In this quiet space of breathing, we begin to feel the aspect of self that goes beyond separation, beyond a body, beyond illusions. That there is an edge where we end and someone else begins. That we are limited by form. We begin to open up to the space that we realize we are more than a body. And in fact, we are more than the thinker thinking the thoughts. Breath by breath, we become the awareness that can see the body and watch the thinker thinking the thoughts. And we can enter into that space where we are simply present, where we simply observe. And we begin to feel the stillness. So we take a deep community breath. Inhaling and exhaling as we step apart for a while and spend a moment together in the silence. Connecting with this peace in this moment. Offering it out to our world. From center to circumference. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know that they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And so it is. Namaste.